Zero collateral. Zero collateral. So many may use this to bridge a gap of possibly a payroll or just anything that you need, even just to help you keep the doors open. Check this one out.
We're interested in offering leverage. The difference is debt is money you take out, you spend, doesn't really help as a tool for your business, where leverage is money you use as a tool to help grow your business or keep it stable or profit more, etc. So a couple examples of this leverage funding in action, we call these fuel plays. Fuel plays are any plays that add to your sales or profits. Like maybe you're adding more locations, or maybe you're getting an inventory discount so you make more on the product you sell. Maybe you're adding equipment to your location so you can sell different products, or you're selling swag items, inventory. Maybe you're remodeling your restaurant or your shop so you can charge premium prices, or maybe you need additional crews so you can say yes to more jobs, or you're needing to add seating to your restaurant. You want to expand with a patio. Maybe you've got construction work to do, but you got to pay for all the supplies in advance to say yes to the job. These are all examples of fuel plays. And just as a side note, these are the first 7 clients in David Allen Capital. My personal clients were these 7 reasons right here, near and dear to my heart. You'll have some just like it. But not all leverage is fuel. Sometimes leverage is a rescue because they're in a tight pinch. They got a good business, but they're in a pinch, and we help them get through the pinch. Like maybe they ran into some money issues and they haven't been paying their rent, and they got to cover the rent on their restaurant or they're going to be evicted. Or maybe they've got equipment that broke down and they can't generate revenue without the equipment. Maybe they've got payroll to make. They've had some cash flow issues, but they got to pay their staff. They're out of stock. They're out of inventory. And they got to buy some inventory. And again, they're low on cash. Maybe they've got a tax issue or a legal issue they need to cover. Any type of pinch like that where they've got a good business, they're just in a pinch, we come in and we solve that pinch. Well,
when a business needs additional money to expand, purchase inventory, or get through a tight pinch, they turn to David Allen Capital. David Allen Capital is a broker that represents several lenders, allowing us to provide our clients with the best loan offers available. We can get you funds without all the hassles typically associated with business loans. Our lenders value your cash flow more than your personal credit score. The process is simple. We can get you an approval in 1 business day and provide you with funds quickly. If you could benefit from a business loan of $20,000 to $500,000 and you're generating at least $100,000 in business revenue, we can help you. We have a straightforward 1-page application and only need a few simple documents to generate your approval. Let us help you grow your business.
Very excited to share with you that you can get up to $25K today, transparent terms and industry-leading early pay discounts. Our terms and rates are very easy to understand, unlike many banks. And if you pay off your capital advance within a year, you get a significant discount on your rate. Yes, online immediate approval. It's a very simple, easy process. No hard credit inquiries. Receive funds same day or the next day. If you get in your application and get approved by noon that day, get it that same day. Otherwise, you may get it in the morning or sometime during the next day. You work with a personalized account manager. You can draw more funds as you pay. So if you pay off the first capital advance and you need more funding, we'll help you get that funding. I'll go over a couple bullet points here. How it works. On the left-hand side, these are the items you need to get approved immediately. 5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account, 6 months in business, 450 plus credit score. All industries are included. Middle section. Get funded 2 to 25K with our breezy online easy application. Link online banking, review approval terms, sign agreement online, receive funds. And this all happens very quickly. On the right side, pay and draw more. Payment history earns you more. Save with early pay discounts. Receive funding again. Add-on funds available. So what happens if you need more than 25K? We got you covered there too. Just click on this button for large funding application on our website. Brings you to our mainstay, David Allen Capital website for business capital advances. You can receive up to $2 million this week. Simple and fast. Receive a decision within 1 day and capital between $10,000 and $2 million as soon as 1 to 2 business days. So it's very fast approval, very fast capital again. We represent only the top best rated providers. They actually compete to bring you back the very best rates. Use the funds as you choose. It's a non-collateral business capital. And our rates and everything is spelled out, very transparent, easy to understand, unlike many banks. So again, we're very excited to share with you our new initiative, our business funding for the smaller business. Get up to 25K today, instant approvals, and also same day funding if you get your approval in by noon that day. Otherwise, it's the morning or sometime during the next day. Very excited, so please click the description below the video. If you're on a cell phone, it's a little harder to find, but there is a description down there. And then you'll see our website. Click the website link, and then come here to our website, click this button, get up to 25K today. As you can see, the form couldn't be simpler. It's a simple form. Fill this out. Take a photo of a couple items that they're going to request, and then you will be well on your way. If you need help, there you go. Right there's a pop-up chat screen. You can chat with somebody and they will help you out.
Get funded fast. Small businesses denied by banks. Can't wait for slow bank approvals. Payroll, inventory, opportunity. You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today, apply today, fund today. Your business can't wait. Just click the link below. We'll get you the capital you need, fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Apply now, just click the link below. Act fast. Act.